Welcome to this lesson. In this video, you will learn how to make affirmative sentences in the present simple. Let's look at some examples. Pay close attention to the form of the verbs. I usually get up at 7 o'clock. Linda takes pictures in her free time. They always do yoga. The boy does his homework every day. We watch TV at night. He washes the dishes after dinner. To make affirmative sentences in the present simple tense with the pronouns I, you, we, or they, we use the base form of the verb. For example, I swim every day. You study at university. They sometimes watch TV. Or, we always do our homework. In affirmative sentences, when we talk about he, she, or it, we add a special ending to the verb. We can add s, es, or ies. For example, Jenny swims every day. Paul sometimes watches TV. The dog always does funny tricks. Max studies at university. The verb has a special form. Did you notice? This only happens in affirmative sentences. Here are the spelling rules for verbs when we talk about he, she, or it. For most verbs, just add s. For example, Brad takes the bus in the morning, or the cat drinks milk. Some verbs, like study, cry, or fly, end in a consonant, plus y. For these verbs, we change y to I and add es. Look at the examples. Max studies at university. The baby cries at night. Some verbs end in o, s, h, c, h, x, or double s, like go, watch, finish, mix, and kiss. For these verbs, we add es. For example, the boy goes to school. My father watches series on Netflix. Now you know how to make affirmative sentences in the present simple.